Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very, very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos are very, very special. So actually, that's my house, and it's very, very clean. You can tell in the comment section. And I'm heading outside. Oh, my mama was passing there with a kitenk. Like kitenk is a Swahili words, means traditional clothes. Maybe you can have a difference between my clothes right there and my mama and my sister. So both of them wear kitenke. This is kitenke. Look, this is kitenke. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
We are fine.
You are fine? So right now you are heading to the salonist to make your hair. And by tomorrow's videos, I can't wait, guys, to share with you. So we'll see how my family match. But I'm so sorry. I'm saying earlier, but we follow with vibe. So on tomorrow's videos, you will see. Thank you so much, mom. May God bless you wherever you are. You made it possible. Now, tomorrow, my family will shine. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
My mama with the kitenke. Sasa hivi mnaenda wapi?
Naenda kusonga mdembo.
Kusonga means they taking to the salonist and make the hair. Hey. Okay. Wow. So we're heading outside. Nione ufungo hapo mtafunga. Nione ufungo kwa kinani hapo nipe. Kwa kimeza hapo. Because I'm sending my sister some key. So like right now, guys, I'm outside, and to be honest, I'm going to my neighbor's place. Yesterday he calling me. I want to check my bricks because we make a deal. I'm a client, and he was the one of the bricks. I pay the money, and yesterday I passed there. He calling me. Just came, like you don't mind maybe the conflict between you and my mom. You just came at my site, you check your bricks, and then we make our deal to be done. On today's videos, our deal is to be done. Bring the key. Hey, Dubai. Hey, Dubai shopping, like Dubai shoppers. Dubai is a continent that are found outside of the world, not inside. Wow. So that's how everything is. And on today's videos, our deal is done. We have the beautiful calf here relaxing, basking the sun from this side here. And today's maybe it's a crazy videos. The sun goes down. You can see here. Oh, how are you? Say hello. So they're relaxing here, and that's my home right there. That's my bike, and I'm heading this way. So I want to see my sights before I left, you know. So I'm the guy who grinding so hard to achieve something, and other people try to pull me down. First, before I'm showing you where I'm heading to, let me greet my grandma and then say hello to you. Here's how our compound looks like, and it's by God's grace, man. We see the green nature. Wow. Look, material, construction material are waiting me. And this month, by God's grace, I want to do something else. I'm telling you. Wow. For those people who ask about this cape, it's just over here, and I have another one, the black one, all the way from UK. One of my subscribers came in Africa and surprised me with that stuff, but I keep it inside my house. Wow, we have the beautiful cow here, and there's avocado trees. So I keep that cape or a barret until up now. I have it. Maybe by tomorrow's we start a new week. No, on Monday you'll see me with that barret. I'll exchange it. between this and another one. So I came here to greet my grandma before I left. You know, when I'm around here, I must say hello to her and then maybe see how she was doing. You can see she was basking the sun. Look, weird. Hey, Jivanui camera. This is my grandma here. So what she told me, she just sitting here, relaxing. Oh, hi. Rote romo baswe. Kwani mugondo wa? Okay guys, I'm asking her, did you went to the farm? Like she has a small kitchen garden here. She told me she was like planting them because right now we are in winter season, so most of the farmer try to plant some maize here and there. Hi Otame. Tame hook. I'm telling her I will see you later. Hi Asante. So I'm heading this way. And today, on today's videos, let me know what did you think about. Imagine, right there, that's my grandma home, and this side is my grandma home. See how I was blessed, guys. I have my grandma, I have my grandma. What a blessed family that I have within here. So in case you're new here and you don't know what I'm doing, first of all, I have my material construction there for my mama dream house. I just keep insisting this every day, and I'm showing you, in case you're new here, you already know what I'm running through. We keep going this way and I will see on today's videos for my premiere again. Maybe I'm 50-50. You will get or not yet. Wow, you see. Look, and I think of maybe later when I make my deal to be done, I'll add an extra 1 trip, 1 to 2 trip, an extra. But for now, I'll start what I have on the ground. Guys, imagine guys, imagine. I have a long history of my life. Imagine, from the handman to build a pit ratting outside on the other side, from a handman to own this stuff that you see here, like hardcore ground. And that being said, every day 1 trip goes to $60. If you came to Africa and you want to have a business, like if you want to have maybe some maybe the rental house here and there, you have already know the price of the stones. 1 trip like this one goes to $60. And guys, for me, the good thing about me, I'm share with you the price or the cost price of the materials here and there, like stones that like goes to $60 1 trip, and also the sand cost $60 1 trip. But the different thing is, on the other side I put the balance stones, which I was showing you. It goes to $120, I'm telling you. And we have so many categories of balance stones, which it will cost like $300, and we have another one which costs around $600. It measure per ton, you know, but for mine we do it randomly. So I'm heading this way as I show you how my village looks like, and then I will take you around up to my brother's place. Wow. So because that being said earlier, on today's videos, our deal is done. I'm at the client. He was the owner of the bricks. I paid the money, and like yesterday, to be honest, he calling me when I came from border town. He told me, bro, you know what? Just come and see how your progress have been going on. You just come. Don't focus on like, don't lie on negative side. Just ignore my mom's. Maybe she have a conflict between you and her. Me, I told her, me, I don't have conflict. Me, I'm just free-hearted. So, like, to make things clear today, our deal is done. Maybe I'm heading this way, guys. and you are new and you don't know where I'm heading to, I'm heading this way. I greet one of my friend, Crowdy Joseph, and then I take you around. Look how my beautiful, amazing village looks like. We're surrounded by the green nature, green vegetation. You can see every place. Imagine. Whoa. And I'm saying sorry for my premiere again. Today you'll miss my premiere, but tomorrow you'll get it because of the time and I was not around here. You have already know, guys, I'm busy right, left, center to make sure things are okay here. So maybe tomorrow I'll wake up in the morning shooting the videos. For those people, maybe on my yesterday videos and today's videos, you don't see my hair. Maybe until further notice. I will decide when I will maybe shooting the video. But on tomorrow, you see, even me, I don't want maybe to cover my dreadlocks because sometimes if you wear the cape too much and you have dreadlocks on your head, it will start to bring some problem to your head. So to avoid that, tomorrow you'll never see this barret. Even it's too small right now. When I was wearing this barret last year, I think not last year, 2023 up to 2024, maybe May there, I was wearing this stuff. But it's because things change and it can't fit me even right now. You can see, guys, this is how our village keep growing. People are building right, left, center, you can tell in the comment section. And on another side, you have one of the good house. One of the good house, but I don't want to go there. I'm keep heading this way as I keep showing you how my village looks like. I'm telling you. Look, this is how our roads looks like. If you don't have the motorbike here, you will struggle. There's some places where you can't pass with your vehicle, but we have the main road which can pass by the vehicle. From a far distance, I had the truck plowing. So that being said earlier, we are in a winter season, so most of the farmer, like 100% of the farmer, they are on the process of preparing the land. You see the truck right there. Imagine, guys, you can't pass here with your vehicle. Look, because of these stones. Even the motorbike, when I'm passing here, it brings some crack on the exhaust. Here, look. The truck is plowing there. Let me keep going this way. I will show you a little bit. Nowadays, most of the people didn't plow by using oxen. You see, guys, look, the more you plant earlier, the more you harvest earlier. The more you plant late, the more you harvest late. That's the simple case here. So you must be very maybe hardworking. If you are lazy, you will sleep hungry. So in our village here, see the tractor. It's coming right there. And imagine Crowdy Joseph is just within here, right here. So just like 5 minutes walking, 5 to 10 minutes by walking. 5 to 10 minutes by walking. That. That. Only wapukira udinko. Wapukira udinko. Tare mukini hatanko. Boom! I'm heading this way. When you use this road going to border town, but I'm keep going this way. As I told you, I was going around visiting Joseph randomly, and then heading toward where my where I had another project, guys. I'm telling you, and maybe somebody watching these videos for the first time, they can't believe that I'm the one of that project, because we make our deal. Oh, crazy riding here. Oh. Hey. It's a crazy riding. Like, man, let me tell you one thing. I just stay honest, positive vibe, and I'm trying to make my own thing, man. I'm heading this way. Wow. Oh, I'm telling you here, it's a crazy riding on the motorbike. Let me know in the comment section the place that you are. You have such a kind of crazy riding here, and maybe most of the border rider, like 7 of them, didn't wear the helmet. But maybe because of I don't want to charge them, because nowadays I have my own, like my own helmet. So man, I keep going this way. Subscribe, man, to my channel. I'm the humble guy who just maybe come from nowhere, grinding so hard, but I want to change my mom's family step by step, man. I'm so blessed. My kids went to school, like young brother and sister went to school. Right now I change the family day by day. So for my premiere again today, you never get these videos. I'll just release it randomly. We have like banana plantation. Imagine from here, like when I'm keep going, murahabali gopo. Hey, maruna simu kubwa. Guys, I found like the kid boy here have a big phone, man. Oh, you know an animal?
Yeah, Goku.
Ah, yeah. Imagine if that boy could be in a city, they could be robbed that phone. But in our village here, no phone snatcher, no camera snatcher. So I was talking about, as I keep going this way, imagine we have a electricity cable here, and we have the power already. Imagine from this post to my home, it's only 4 posts, 4 to 3 posts, if I'm wrong. And then maybe because of corruption here and there, maybe somebody depend on off-grid solar panel. Wow, this is the stagnant water here. This is the crazy road that we have in our village here. But we achieve what we have, and we appreciate Almighty God to give us a good health. Also, we have the transformer here. I'm telling you guys, like it goes to my neighbor, maybe from my neighbor to my home, it's around 4 posts. Look, we have transformer right here. It's right there. There's a transformer. So anyway, guys, you will meet me at my neighbor's place, because yesterday he calling me and I want to sign our deal. Today our deal is done. Wow. Alright guys, I'm just at the construction where my project took place. Actually it's my neighbor, and over here we have the borehole, so he normally fetch water here, making bricks right there. And I love that he was a hard-working man. He was working every time, so he wanna show me maybe our deal is done. We share Maris.
Yes.
So today our deal is done.
Yes.
All right. Let's go. It's time. Pinto vena me bikuke montara hiri gara kumunya. Pono rekare we ni bench ngecho. Today he didn't make the bricks. Maybe because of time. Guys, one day I will surprise him. One day. You just believe it. So okay, we have another one here. So maybe this is the last one here.
Even the additional.
This is my additional?
Yes, extra.
Hiyo kwa matafari onge hikire. Iko hikire. Kwa sababu narucha matafari 1500 dagirasi mara. Kama kano gonsi 1500 not about 10,000.
Kano complete bona.
Okay. You complete? Okay. All of this is 10,000 plus. So this month terona isa wenyu. Okay, ngemete. Hihome. Uchobange tafaro sambe ngutuange sombe moja kwa moja. Sasa mwerone na tarehe 22 na mpehera elewana naye vizuri. Uchonda tera masavonte iboka kenge ikamukemansi kami wiki mo sambe. Kusona wakinga hana haura sambe.
Kana bona ba engineer antona bahata musaka hana ngara.
Okay. Tachope nyumwerone nawe.
Tokenge borto bera cha kuhutia. Moja kwa moja babu.
Sawa nisi Torama. Ngutuende kasamba moja kwa moja kasi. Gai.
Harorochiga kana.
Ona gani?
Mbene manyere ngatamanye.
Sasa ni yakasambwe.
Robi. Toma ubunya nigoro. Gai homa. No kubago utego tugara sambana.
Takoriga. Takoriga robi. Takengu chingu chikari hansi kami iwiki imwe. Chitonya manchi jumiti chai. Isamba. Okay, bento achimaro nesa wenyu. Undeme tenere ngako haye. Desere ngore nani hire amaguta. Engore erike amaguta. Aye kenge bongo gihome. Tareshina mbyo ni kweka. Sorti chimbiri.
Nena haru mutego no kahambera kano gasina mona skuli.
Esebe. Toko tara kote mo beto nko pani sebe ya.
Sebe.
Kana no mutego ndo.
Boy futano 500.
Magamba igo mtefutano 500. Chinkucha 10,000 sambe tafari siri. So he wants to sell for me some trees here because right now our deal is done. You can see I've already complete 10,000 plus bricks.
It is equal.
When I meet you have some trees. Only 1 or 2, 3.
3. What is it big? 5,500.
So there's a negotiation price. It's 5,000 we negotiate. So I want to buy more trays for burning bricks right here. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much guys. We shall meet on the next videos. Bye.